Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WooCommerce affiliate plugin configuration step by step clearly. To enable the WooCommerce affiliate plugin configuration, first, ensure that you have the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Next, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over the Plugins option. Click on Add New to search for the affiliate plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce affiliate. Once you find the plugin, click on Install Now. After the installation completes, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, a new option will appear in the dashboard menu. Click on WooCommerce and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Affiliates tab. Click on the Affiliates tab to access the configuration options. Here, you can configure various settings for your affiliate program. Adjust the general settings according to your preferences. Set the commission rates for your affiliates based on your business model. Enable or disable features such as cookies, which determine how commissions are tracked. You can also customize the registration settings for new affiliates. Make sure to configure the payout settings to define how and when affiliates will receive their commissions. Once all settings are configured, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. To allow affiliates to sign up, ensure that the registration option is enabled. You can create a dedicated affiliate registration page if desired. Next, visit your site to test the affiliate registration process. After completing the setup, encourage affiliates to start promoting your products. Monitor your affiliate dashboard to keep track of performance and sales. By following these steps, your WooCommerce affiliate plugin will be successfully configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.